Welcome to Mastree's English Pro channel, where we help you communicate effectively. At Mastree, we believe in teaching you strategies that will help you master all the communication skills that you need so you can begin your journey to becoming a confident speaker. Each of our lessons are crafted to provide individual attention and feedback and centers your needs. I'm Sarah, your expert tutor, and today I'll show you how you say something is just as important as what you say. Now, why is this important, you must think? Well, when talking to your teacher, your project partner, or even your supervisor, it's important to make sure that the tone of your voice communicates meaningfully what you are trying to say. Here, focus on how I'm saying the following sentences. That is a beautiful dress. This book is my favorite book. Confusing, isn't it? Because what I said doesn't match my emotions. This is because how we say things can change the meaning of a sentence. It's important to pay attention to the way we speak so that people don't misunderstand what we are trying to say. This change in tone or voice is known as intonation. Intonation refers to the rise or fall in our tones as we speak. There are two types of intonation: rising tones and falling tones. Low tones or falling intonations are used at the end of a sentence, such as, I want that book. Whereas high tones or rising tones are used to show something that is not finished. For example, do you think I could get that in red? Falling tones are used when you're giving new information, and rising tones when you're stating old information. Let's look at some examples. I thought you were going to pick up Adam from school. So, in this example, picking up Adam from school is something that was already discussed. Hence, the rising intonation. The new information was who was going to pick up Adam, which is why you is in the following intonation. Now that we have a good sense of what are the different intonation patterns, let's analyze a conversation together. So, we have Aman who says, I have bought a sandwich. Here, the intonation is a falling tone because he is giving out new information. He then says, I thought you wanted a sandwich. Here, we have both a falling and a rising tone for the new and the old information. Now Seema says, yes, but I also wanted some sauce with my sandwich, which again, there is a both falling and a rising tone for the new and the old information. Now, intonations are also used to show emotions. A rising and falling tone can show the different emotions. Let's hear the same sentence in a rising and a falling action. Sure thing. Sure thing. Did you see the difference? Just the way in which I said sure thing gave the emotion behind it. Whether I was excited to say that or whether I was just annoyed. Did I say sure thing where I was happy to do that, or where I said sure thing where I clearly am not interested? Now, intonations aren't just for statements but can also be used with the questions we ask. So for a question you don't know the answer to, you would use a falling tone like, did she come back from the vacation? And a rising tone is used when you think you know the answer, like, you planned the dinner, right? So here's the explanation for that. Here the question implies that you said you wanted to make dinner plans and I'm merely checking to make sure that you did make them. Let's look at another example. Did you pick up the dress for Eve? Here, you were given the task of picking up the dress, and this is just a follow-up question to the task. So intonations help to bring out the meaning in the text. Using the right kind of intonation helps you to communicate your message to other people. It's just as important to use intonation in your speech as it is to understand the right tones used by others. As a fun exercise, why don't you guys watch this short movie clip and try to analyze the intonation patterns between the two actors. I hope you guys have fun.
Health, Spanish. You're taking 12th grade calculus?
Yeah, I like math.
Ew, why?
Because it's the same in every country.
It's beautiful. This girl is deep.
Where's the back building?
It burned down in 1987.
Won't we get in some sort of trouble for this?
Why would we get you into trouble? We're your friends.
If you have more questions, would you like to practice your conversation starters? You can always reach me on our Telegram channel, right? At English Pro 1 Mastree's Telegram channel, you reach out with any questions that you have and our expert tutors will have an answer for you right away. What's more, we can give you exclusive feedback and individual attention. So follow these steps to join me there. Install and sign up on the Telegram app. Tap join and welcome aboard. I'll see you guys next time.